ADA, we start with 1 hour chart. Okay, if we refer to our analysis, we mentioned if we get any reversal, we can look for buy. As we can see, the price reverse, but the way it's moving is a corrective. And now we want to see whether we can look for any trade setup from here or not for buy. Okay, but if we want to look for buy, we prefer this one give a bit, become a bit like more corrective before we take the trade, because if we move to 15-minute, we can see the way it's moving this because this one is a corrective. Still we can expect for one more drop. If we get any drop, we can see the internal flat. Maybe we can look for the next move. All right, that's why based on 1 hour chart I mentioned that if we want to look for buy, the best things is if we get one more drop, then maybe we can look for trade. That's why if this one become a bit more corrective, we can get a better trade setup. Okay, but it depends on the traders. But what I want to say that if we want to look for buy, we need to get the proper trade and we need to get the sharp move in case this one turn to a flat for one more drop. Because as we know, based on the ADA, the way is moving is really corrective. Because if we move to forward chart, see what they will, how it have been moving. Since we have been within this move, it's still the way, for example, here and here, it was really corrective. That's why here, now the question can be turned to more corrective. I mean, similar to what we get here or here. All right. Anyway, because after any of them, it's happened after the price drop, and similar to what we get here. Anyway, we move to higher time frame. We want to see what we have. Based on daily chart, we're looking for reversal. As I mentioned for forward chart, mostly we can expect the correction here before we get the next move. But it doesn't mean we don't look for buy. We look for buy. Any buy setup we trade it, because in case the price can reverse sharply, because even when the price was within this move, and here we mentioned any buy setup, trade setup for buy, we take the trade and we start to manage, because as we can see, suddenly we get a sharp move. Okay, and in this case, we move to lower time frame, we move to forward chart. The only thing is we need to be aware that this one can turn to more complex for one more drop. Still, we can expect this one move a bit higher for this one for one more drop. The only reason is we are not looking for the down move. We're looking for buy. But if we get any trade setup, we need to be aware of this. That means we should know what's the next if we get the buy and it's not moving. Okay. And right now we're looking at the buy, and we prefer this one turn to more a bit more corrective before we get the next move. And any trade we get, we're looking for the sharp move. And with the breakout of this, we start to manage. And if the price continues from here as a sharp move, we can look for the next flag. But if this one turns to a corrective move, we should be aware of this. Any sharp move down with the flag, we can look for sell. Anyway, mostly we are more interested in the buy, and right now we're looking at this. If we get any buy setup, we will take the trade. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thank